All right, so whenever you finally get your first sale, you're gonna see it either on your phone or on your computer, depending on what you use it on, and then it'll just pop up right here. It'll show you the sessions, show you how much they spent, and then show you how many orders you have. It'll also show you your orders right here. So as soon as you click these orders, it's gonna look like not like these, but it's gonna look like these. The only reason they're probably unfulfilled is probably their address is wrong. But anyways, so these orders right here, they're gonna be white. It's gonna say unfulfilled. These are only gonna be fulfilled if you manually fulfill them or if you have automatic fulfillment on like I do. But in your case, you don't need automatic fulfillment until you cannot, like if you're getting orders like this, like constantly, and you cannot go on AliExpress and manually type in someone's address and do it, then go ahead and turn on automatic fulfillment. But we're not on that yet. That's probably gonna be next video. But this is how you do it. So you pretty much click on their name. I'm not gonna click on anyone's name only because they have their address, your phone numbers. I'm not gonna leak anyone's stuff. But like I said, so you're gonna see a white thing right here. It's gonna say unfulfilled. What you're gonna do is go to AliExpress, go on and go ahead and find your product. So whatever it is, what is going on? All right. So you're gonna go ahead and find. I don't want to what is that? Like what? Let's just say something in automotive, so I don't get banned. So let's say this is my product. This is probably the worst dropshipping product ever. So boom, I'll go ahead and I'll find what I want to have, and then get rid of all that. And then what I'll do is I'll buy now and I'll put in their address, I'll put in their name, I'll put in all their information, and it'll go straight to them. You're good to go. All you have to do is just put in your credit card information. You pay that, and then you'll obviously get your payments through Shopify, through Shopify payments, which are going to be in the settings. It's going to literally tell you next payout at this date. Just keep in mind that you won't get paid on the weekends, but you can choose when to get paid. You can choose daily payment payouts, weekly, monthly, whatever you want. So keep that in mind. So that's how you'll get paid out. And boom, you have somebody on my website right now. Perfect. But that's pretty much how to handle your first couple sales before you're getting into automatic fulfillment. But this is just manual fulfillment. It's the easiest thing ever. But if you're getting 10 orders a day, you don't want to spend your time doing this and manually typing out your credit card, manually typing out people's different addresses and changing addresses. So yeah, just keep that in mind.